ArgoPrep, prep it up. Science, math, we can't get enough. Learn with friends all day. ArgoPrep helps us find the way.
Hi there, first graders. I'm Princess Learnia from the ArgoPrep Universe. I'm so excited to meet you all. Before we begin our royal lesson, I want to share a story about something that happened in our castle recently. We were planning a big celebration and everyone had different ideas about how to decorate. Some wanted lots of balloons, others wanted flowers, and a few suggested hanging lights everywhere. At first, everyone was talking at once and not listening to each other. It was quite a royal mess. So, do you know what I did? I suggested we all sit in a circle and take turns sharing our ideas. We used a special hat. Whoever wore the hat got to speak while everyone else listened. Then we passed the hat to the next person. It was amazing! Everyone got to share their thoughts and we all listened to each other. We learned that by combining our ideas, we could make the celebration even better than we imagined. We ended up with beautiful flower arrangements, colorful balloons, and twinkling lights that made the castle look magical. This experience taught us all how important it is to communicate clearly and listen to others. And you know what? That's exactly a lot like what we do in science. We share our observations, we listen to others, and we work together to learn new things. Thank you for listening to my story. This week, we're going to learn about communicating over distance with light. Today, we're going to discover 1. Why communicating over distance is important. 2. How light can be used to send messages. And 3. Some examples of light communication. Let's go ahead and start with why communicating over distance is important. Here are some examples. Number 1. To call for help in emergencies. Number 2, to share important information quickly. Number 3, to stay connected with people far away. And number 4, to warn others about danger. Now, let's talk about how light can be used to send messages. Light travels very fast and in straight lines, which makes it perfect for quick communication over long distances. Here's a fun experiment to try. Step 1. Find a friend or family member and stand at opposite ends of a room. Step 2. Turn off the lights. Ask a grown-up for help. Step 3. Use a flashlight to send simple messages. For example, 1 flash could mean yes and 2 flashes could mean no. Step 4. Try asking each other yes or no questions and answer them with your light signals. Pause the video while you try this experiment. Great job, my royal scientists! You've just used light to communicate over a distance. Now, let's take a look at some examples of how we use light to communicate in real life. Example 1. Lighthouses warn ships about dangerous coastlines. Example 2. Traffic lights tell drivers when to stop or go. Example 3. Turn signals on cars show which way a vehicle will turn. Example 4. Some emergency vehicles use flashing lights to tell other drivers to move out the way. Can you think of any other examples? Wonderful ideas! You are all shining so bright with knowledge. Let's recap what we learned today. We learned communicating over distance is important for many reasons. We learned that light can be used to send messages quickly over long distances. And finally, we learned that we use light signals in many ways in our daily lives. Before we end, let's play a fun game to use light to communicate. Here's what you'll need: a flashlight, a book, and a partner. Here's how we play this game. One person will hold the flashlight and the other person will be reading out loud from the book. The person holding the flashlight can use the flashlight to communicate 3 different commands. One flash means the other person should read out loud. 2 flashes means the other person should whisper while reading the book. And finally, 3 flashes means the other person should stop reading and make a silly face. Try this now and take turns being the reader and the flashlight person. I hope you had a lot of fun playing that game. I think it's time for something extra special. Are you ready to earn your Royal Argo Star? First, I want you to stand up and find some space around you. Got it? Great! Now when I say flash, I want you to give me a big thumbs up. When I say light, I want you to give yourself a big hug. Are you ready? Flash. Light. Flash. Light. Flash. Flash. Light. Light. Incredible! You've earned your Argo Star. In our next video, we'll explore more about devices that use light to communicate. This is Princess Learnia, waving goodbye for now.
Had fun spinning through science with us?
The adventure doesn't have to end here.
Join us at ArgoPrep.com for more awesome discoveries.
Subscribe now and continue your journey through the ArgoPrep Universe. Let's make learning and adventure together. Visit ArgoPrep.com and start learning today.